Children, last lectures we are finding every answer with a constant C. So it was called as general solution. Today in variable separable we will see particular solution. Now particular solution means you need to find the value of that constant also with the given information. Okay, some values will be given, that values you have to put and you have to find the value of C. Let us take the first example. It is 3 e raised to x tan y dx plus 1 plus e raised to x sec square y dy is equal to 0, where x is given as 0 and y is given as pi. Okay. Again I will take advantage of this 0. Initial the sum remains the same. What we did in the last class is 1 minus 1 plus e raised to x sec square y dy. As usual, I'll shuffle the terms here and there. So 3 e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to x dx minus sec square y upon tan y dy. Now everything is ready, so I will integrate it by default. If you see, iska derivative is in numerator, iska derivative is in numerator. Okay, so it becomes 3 log 1 plus e raised to x minus log of tan y plus log c. Okay, so I'll take this minus on this side, so and this 3 above, so I get log 1 plus e raised to x cube plus log tan y is equal to log c. So 1 plus e raised to x the whole cube into tan y is equal to c. Once you get this equation, put x as 0 and y as pi. So when I put x as 0 and y as pi, I get c. So what is tan pi? 0. Therefore, I get c is equal to 0. Therefore, my answer becomes 1 plus e raised to x the whole cube tan y is equal to 0. This becomes your particular solution because you are finding the value of c. Okay? Yes? Clear everybody? Second one, this x minus y square x dx minus y plus x square y dy is equal to 0 when x is 2 and y is 0. Okay, again advantage of that 0, so x minus y square x dx is equal to y plus x square y dy. I'll take x common from here. What is left? 1 minus y square. I'll take y common. 1 plus x square dy. Correct? I'll shuffle terms here and there. So x upon 1 plus x square dx. This will become y upon 1 minus y square dy. Correct? I'll multiply this by 2. Also by 2. इसका डेरिवेटिव ऊपर है, इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होना चाहिए? माइनस. So I'll write like this. Now I'll integrate both of them. So what is the answer of this? Log 1 plus x square. This will become log 1 minus y square plus log c. ठीक है? Therefore it becomes log of 1 plus x square 1 minus y square is equal to log C, that is 1 plus x square 1 minus y square equals C. This is the general solution. You have been asked a particular solution, so put x as 2 and y as 0. So if I put x as 2, this will become 4 plus 1 5. Since y is 0, this becomes 1. Therefore C is 5. So my answer is 1 plus x square 1 minus y square is equal to 5. Understood? Clear everybody? Okay. Same way, the next one, the third sum. It is y times 1 plus log x dx by dy is equal to x log x. Again, when x is e and y is e square. So again I'll shuffle the terms. So I'll get 1 plus log x upon x log x dx is equal to dy upon y. Now I'll integrate. So इसका डेरिवेटिव ऊपर है, if you observe carefully, x log x into log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x plus log x into x का डेरिवेटिव 1. So it becomes log of x log x. This will become log y. Since both are log, I will write log c as the constant. That is, I get x log x is equal to y c. Now x कितना है e, y कितना है e square. So e log e square c. So log e कितना होता है 1, e cut. Therefore c becomes 1 upon e. What is the value of c? 1 upon e. Therefore your equation becomes x log x equal to y upon e. Is it clear? This is your final particular solution. Okay? Yes? The next sum, children, that is fourth one, e raised to y plus 1 cos x plus e raised to y sin x dy by dx equals 0 when x is pi by 6 and y is 0. Again I'll take this plus sign on right side. I'll get e raised to y plus 1 cos x minus e raised to y sin x dy by dx. Again I shuffle the terms, so I get cos x upon sin x dx. This will become minus e raised to y plus 1 dy. As usual, I'll integrate. If you integrate, sin x का डेरिवेटिव है cos x, इसका डेरिवेटिव है this numerator. So what is the answer? Log of denominator minus log of denominator. Again I'll write log c. Now I'm writing directly. You will get sin x e raised to y plus 1 is equal to c. Now x is pi by 6 and y is 0. So sin pi by 6 e raised to 0 plus 1 is equal to c. This will become 2. This will become half. Half into 2, 1. So what is the value of c you are getting? 1. That is e raised to y plus 1 into sin x is equal to 1. Understood? This is what you will get. Clear everyone? Okay. Now fifth one. It is x plus 1 dy by dx minus 1 2 times e raised to minus y is minus when 1 comma 0. X is 1, y is 0. So what you will do? This will become x plus 1 times dy by dx. I'll take this minus 1 on right side. So 2 e raised to minus y plus 1. Again shuffling of terms. So हो जाएगा dy upon 2 e raised to minus y plus 1 dx upon x plus 1. I'll make this e raised to y positive. So I'll get e raised to y 2 plus e raised to y dy dx upon x plus 1. Now integrate. Again, like all sums, denominator का derivative is in numerator, denominator का derivative is in numerator. So what is the answer? Log e raised to y plus 2 log x plus 1 plus log c. It doesn't matter whether you write log c here or here. Okay. So what is the answer now? E raised to y plus 2 is equal to c times x plus 1. Correct? Now x is 1, y is 0. So e raised to 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. And x is 1. Therefore, my c becomes 3 by 2. So your final answer is e raised to y plus 2, 3 by 2, x plus 1. Okay? Clear everyone? Yes? Now sixth one. A very good question. It is cos of dy by dx equals a constant, and say it is given as y of 0 as 2. It means this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Y of 0 equal to 2 का मतलब है when x is 0, my y is 2. Now I'll take this cos on right side, so it will become cos inverse a. It is a constant, so it's very simple integration. dy is equal to cos inverse a dx. I'll integrate them. dy का integration y, dx का integration x, cos inverse a plus c. Now x कितना है? 0. y कितना है? 2. Therefore 0, sorry, my y is 2, 0 plus c. Therefore मेरा c कितना आया? 2, है ना? So what is the answer you're getting? Y is equal to x cos inverse a plus 2. Understood? Yes? Clear? Okay, next one, children. It is dy by dx equal to e raised to 2y cos x when x is pi by 6 and y is 0. Very easy sum. Just shuffle the terms. ये इस तरफ जाएगा, e raised to minus 2y dy is equal to cos x dx. I'll integrate both of them. Yes, cos x का integration minus sin x plus c. इसका integration minus e raised to minus 2y upon 2. Correct? Now x कितना है? Pi by 6. Y कितना है? 0. So minus e raised to 0 upon 2 sin pi by 6 plus c. Correct? Sorry, cos x का integration है sin x. This will become minus half plus c. तो c कितना आएगा? minus 1. Therefore it becomes minus 1 upon 2 e raised to 2y is equal to sin x minus 1. If you want, take minus 1 on left side or keep the answer as it is. Also you can multiply by minus sign. ठीक है? Clear? Next, it is y minus 1 upon y plus 1 plus x minus 1 upon x plus 1 dy by dx equal to 0 when both are 2, 2. ठीक है? Let us take advantage of this 0. So y minus 1 upon y plus 1 minus x minus 1 upon x plus 1 dy by dx. So I'll shuffle the terms here and there. X plus 1 upon x minus 1 dx minus y plus 1 upon y minus 1 dy. अब क्या करोगे? What you can do? Denominator का डिग्री न्यूमरेटर डिग्री सेम है, so I'll copy denominator in numerator. So it becomes x plus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 1 dx. Similarly, y minus 1 plus 2 upon y minus 1 dy. ये माइनस साइन है तो इसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. सॉरी, इट शुड बी x minus 1 plus 2. Now give to both. So integration of x minus 1 upon x minus 1 dx plus integration of x minus 1 dx. इधर भी माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ y minus 1 upon y minus 1 dy minus 2 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dy upon y minus 1. तो ये कट हो जाएगा. इसका आंसर आएगा x. इसका आंसर 2 log x minus 1. इसका आंसर माइनस y है ना, कट हो जाएगा. और ये माइनस 2 log y minus 1 प्लस c भी ले सकते हो, log c भी ले सकते हो. x कितना है नाउ 2, y कितना है 2. सो 2 प्लस 2 log 1 माइनस 2 log 1 प्लस c. ये 0 हो गया तो ये गया, ये भी 0 हो गया, गया. Therefore my c becomes 4. How much I'm getting c? 4. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? x plus y minus 4. I'm taking c on left side. So minus 4 is equal to minus 2 log y minus 1. Again minus 2 log x minus 1. That is, I can write x plus y minus 4 upon minus 2 log of y minus 1 x minus 1. ठीक है, clear? This was about particular solution where we were trying to find the exact value of c. Is it clear? Now the next class will study if the equations are unable to separate it in terms of y and x like this, then what we are supposed to do. Okay, thank you.